So the green alert is a lot like a silver alert, but for a missing at-risk veteran or service member specifically. So, for example, if somebody's suffering from PTSD, or if they perhaps have a traumatic brain injury or some other developmental or intellectual disability, and they go missing, this would notify law enforcement that it's a veteran or service member, not just somebody who would qualify for a silver alert. Indiana's suicide rate among veterans is higher than the national average. And though we're making progress, this is another tool in our toolbox to further drive that rate down. When a veteran goes missing, they're more likely than other endangered adults to die by suicide. They're also more likely to be armed. So the Green Alert is a really important tool for law enforcement and for the public at large to make sure they have all the information necessary when a service member or veteran goes missing. So this will be handled just like any other alert, the silver alert, for example. So follow all the same steps. Contact local law enforcement when a loved one goes missing, and they will handle all the steps after that to ensure that the appropriate alert is issued by the Indiana State Police. House Democrats for the last 5 years have filed this legislation, starting with Ross Steele, himself a Marine, back in 2019. I filed it in 2021, and I filed it every year since, so for 4 years. This year, we were able to get a hearing. We were able to get great co-sponsors and sponsors over in the Senate. We finally got a hearing in both chambers. It passed unanimously out of both chambers. And as we talk right now, it is just awaiting the governor's signature. It'll go into effect, like most laws, July 1st. The state police will have to get it up and running. And then Hoosier veterans should start to see some progress and see green alerts being issued. I mean, Indiana values your contributions to our state, but not just in the good times. We want you to know that in the not so good times, we'll be there for you too. And that's what the Green Alert is meant to do. At a minimum, in Indiana, if you're a veteran or service member and you go missing, we will come find you and try to get you the help you need.